Hello viewers, in this video I am going to show you how to download and install manually the latest Windows 11 update KB5068861, which is part of November 2025 patch Tuesday release. Before we begin, let's quick go over what's new in this update. Number 1, new start menu layout. Windows 11 now has a refresh start menu. You will see a single page scrollable all apps view, new categories for better organization, and a grid tile layout for compact tiles. You can also hide the recommendations section if you prefer a cleaner look. Number 2, colorful taskbar battery icon. The battery icon now changes color based on the status. Red for low battery, orange when battery saver is on, and green while charging. You can also show the battery percentage directly on the taskbar. Number 3, task manager fix. Microsoft has fixed the problem where task manager wouldn't close properly, which sometimes caused your systems to slow down. Number 4, fast performance. This update improves boot speed, taskbar responsiveness, and overall system stability. Now let's see how you can manually install the KB5068861 update safely using the Microsoft Update Catalog. Step 1, open any browser, then go to the Microsoft Update Catalog website. Number 2, in the search bar at the top right corner, type KB5068861 and press enter. Step 3, you will see a list of results. Choose the one that match your Windows version and system type like x64 or ARM64. For example, if you are using Windows 11 version 24H2X64, select the update with build number 26100.7171, which is around 3.9 to 4 GB in size. If your device use ARM architecture, pick the ARM64 version instead, then click download next to the correct update. Step 4, a small window will pop up with a link. Click that link to start downloading the update automatically. The file will be .msu format and download time will depend on your internet speed. Tip 5, once downloaded, double click the file to run it. Windows will begin installing the update automatically. After the installation completes, restart your PC to finish the process. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe our channel, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.